Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss another question on differentiability. This will give you an idea how to mathematically approach the differentiability, and we'll see the alternative to this question also. So this question is, for f of x is equal to mod x, check differentiability at x is equal to 0. So this function, which is mod x, can be given as minus x for x is less than 0 and x for x is greater than or equal to 0. Right? For less than 0 I am considering minus x. Now of course this is a continuous function. If you want we can check it also, but we are concerned it on the differentiability or derivative of this function. So derivative f dash of x naught at x naught will be f of x naught plus h minus f of x naught divided by h, where h tends to 0. The point at which we have to check is 0, and this is nothing but x naught. So this becomes f of h minus f of 0 by h for h tends to 0. Now we know that for x equal to 0 this function is going to be 0, and for h it is going to be either minus h or h depending on the h. So we can start with from the right hand limit. So right hand limit is f dash of x naught, or let's write it 0, will be, we can write it plus because we are checking the right hand limit. So this will be f of h. So f of h, let's write it, by h for h tends to h plus. So h plus means we are on the right hand side or on the greater side of 0. So this will be x. That means this is going to be h by h for h tends to 0 plus. This is also 0 plus, which makes it 1, simply 1. H by h is 1. And on the left hand, f dash at 0, this is minus, will become f of h by h for h tends to 0 minus. So 0 minus means less than 0, which is minus x. So this will be minus h by h for h tends to 0. Now we can directly write h equal to h tends to 0, and this will become minus 1. H and h gets cancelled and it will be minus 1. We can see that f dash 0 for the positive side, that is right hand limit, is not equal to f dash 0 for the left hand side. So we can say the derivative does not exist. Does not exist. Or we can say the function f of x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Some of the time we know what is the graph of the function, or we can find what is the graph of function, or maybe it is directly given in the form of graph. So we know what is the function of graph, f of x is equal to mod x. This will be let's say this is mod x. So you can see that this is going to be like this is y is equal to x, and this is going to be y is equal to minus x, and we can see that there is going to be a sharp turn or bend at x equal to 0. So derivative does not exist at x equal to 0, right? It does not exist at x equal to 0.